Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Gorilla Tag rig thing in Blender. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so first you want to have Steam opened. Sorry if it says that. Then you want to search up Blender. Oh my god, sorry, I have caps lock on. But then you want to search up Blender. And want to tap on this and you just want to download it right here. And then you can click use now, but for me, I'm just going to open it from my home. So I'll see you guys when I have Blender open. Okay, so now that you have Blender open, you want to actually have the rig. So as you can see, I already have it. But this is what the website's going to look like. I'll show you guys right now. This is the website right here that you're going to want to go to. I'll have the link in either the comments or in my Discord, probably in my Discord. And my Discord will be in my bio. So if you want to join my Discord and get this, you have to be in my bio. So just go to my bio and you'll have this, and you want to just download it right here. And then once you've done that, you want to go back to Blender and click open. And then for me, I'm going to do number 7, but it'll be anyone that you just did. And then you want to click open. And then you have your gorilla here. So you want to click on this right up here, viewport shading. And then you want to move your Y coordinates over and click on the sun right here. And then as you can see, it's at 5. Do you want to turn that up to 10? Or at least that's what I use. You don't have to do 10. You can do it higher or maybe lower. Now, to change your name, you want to click tab. And then you can backspace all that. You can delete it. And then put your name. So in this case, for me, it'll be TST Master. Alright. Then once you have that, you can move it over to here. Alright, and then if you want it. So next I'm gonna teach you guys how to change its color, because if you guys are white, then this is perfect for you, like a white color code. But if you're not, then let me show you how to do the other code. So you want to click on the mesh, click on like the body right here, and you want to go down to material and click on the primary color. Now you have a big color wheel. If you want to do color codes in Gorilla Tag, you can click RGB, but I'm gonna just use this for now. And so I'm just do my color code. It's like a dark purple, like this. Alright, so now that you have this, I'm gonna move this down just a bit, guys. Alright, so now that you have this, next thing I want to teach you is probably how to get like a face if you want a custom face. So yeah, let me show you how to do that, guys. Alright guys, so at the time of recording this, I do not have the rig faces put here yet. So yeah. So the rig faces will be in this channel right here. It's called rig faces. So yeah, that's where the rig faces will be. So yeah, and so yeah, there's rig faces. This is where it's gonna be. So yeah, after posting this video, they will probably be here. But yeah, so when you guys see it, they'll probably be there. So next, okay, so I'm gonna see you in just a second. Alright guys, so now when you're back in Blender, I'll probably want to teach you what to do. So once you downloaded the face, you want to go to your File Explorer. So once you have your File Explorer open, it'll either be in Recent or in Downloads. So just go to one of those. I already have some of them open. So as you can see, there's Cheerful. I'm gonna do Sun. So, okay, so what you want to do, but to do this, so you want to go click on the mesh, and you want to go to shading, and you have the Gorilla Tag color shader. So then you want to drag and drop the thing that you just downloaded into here. Now that you have that, so there should be like a color thing. You want to drag that all the way down to your face texture, and then change this up to 10. And also make this closest, okay? Then you go back to your animation, and now you have your face. Okay, so now that you have your face, you're probably going to want, if you want them, you can have cosmetics. So this link will also be in my Discord. I'm going to show you guys where that will be in just a second. Alright guys, so also at the time of recording this, I do not have the cosmetic thing in here. So at the time of posting this, they will probably be in here. So yeah. So when you guys see it, yes, they probably will be in there. So now let's get back to Blender. Alright guys, so now that you're back in Blender, alright guys, for the cosmetics, what you want to do is you want to click File. I already have this. And you want to click Import and then FBX. And then find the file you just downloaded. So a hat face, badges, or holdables. Doesn't matter. I'm going to do my hat. And I'm going to search. I'm going to do the sweatband for me. You guys can do whatever cosmetic you have. So once you have it, you want to click this, and you want to just move it up. Because if you move it down, yeah, it does nothing. It's just dark at that moment, and then it stops. Then you want to just bring it over, and then bring it down, and then over a bit, and then down. Sometimes you don't get it right, sometimes you do. You can just like rotate it around, make sure you got it all right. And then you want to click on it, and you want to go to shading. And I will have this in the Discord, guys. So it says diffuse color. You want to actually click closest, and then you want to click X on that, and you want to click open. And then you just want to search up, I'll have this in the Discord, it's called Hatlass. And I want to open that image, and then it should have your sweatband or whatever cosmetic. That's a hat or something like that. And then you have your hat. So, and then what you guys want to do, if you want to add another cosmetic, you just repeat the process. So I'll see you guys when I have all my cosmetics ready. Alright guys, so if you add your finger painter badge, this is just a quick tutorial on how to actually like get the shading right. This will also be in the Discord, guys, just so you know. Everything will be in Discord for like all this stuff. So you want to again click closest. Sorry it's not as close up, but like if you click this and you want to click open, and it will also be, it'll be called, just search up cause, and then it will be this right here. It will not have anything over the dungeon update of 2023. So if you get it anything after that, after this update, it will not show up, including Illustrator badge and others. I'll try to get a later version of it, but for now it's not. So you want to just click open image, and then you want to go back to your animation, and then bam, you have your finger painter badge or whatever badge you wanted. So next guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to pose your gorilla in any way you would like. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so you wanna click on the rig. So like click this like circle thing right here. And then you wanna click and go up where it says object mode, and you wanna just click pose mode. So then when you have pose mode, you wanna click on the hand, try to, and make sure it's on this, and then you can move your arms. But it'll move 2 arms. So if you don't want it to move 2 arms, you want to click this X up here. And then you can do this and like move it around. So I'm going to see you guys when I have the pose. Alright guys, so now that I have my pose that it's going to be doing, now you probably either want to set up your camera or either your camera or your other things. But first, what I want to tell you how to do is save it to your things. So you want to actually don't exit. Just click minimize, and it'll bring you to this. And you want to right click on your mouse, and you want to click new folder, and then name this folder whatever you want. I'm not going to name it anything. So then it's a new folder. Okay. Then you want to go back into Blender, and you want to click this thing right here, and it says output. And you want to make sure it says PNG and RGBA. And you want to click this little file, and then you want to find the one that you just created. So it will be called new folder. So right here, you want to click it, and you want to click accept, and then accept, and then bam. So now you have your transporting set up. Next, you want to click add, and what you want to do is you want to add a camera. So you want to click add, and then camera, or you can just do Shift A. That also works. It's your choice. Then you want to actually set this to 19, or at least that's what I always have it at. So if you want to do 19, it's recommended. 19 is recommended by me. So if you guys want it to work perfectly, I recommend using a 19. You want to make this pretty close, not too close, but like pretty close. And then like render image. Alright, so then it says this is the result. And then let's see if it went into the folder. Probably didn't yet. Okay, no, it didn't yet, guys. So if you want to make sure it's right, you want to just click render image. And then if it looks right to you, then you want to X out of this, and you want to click render animation. And then you want to click X, and then go out of minimize this, and you want to go into the new folder you just created. And there should be, depending on how long you had it there, don't keep it on. Hold it like for 4 seconds or like 5 seconds, and then close it. And then you have these. So you have extras just in case. So as you can see right here, guys, this is the one that we just created. So yeah, and next I know I didn't say I would add this. This is just like a bonus on how to add a text. I don't recommend using the text in Blender. What you want to do is you want to search up photo. I use this all the time, guys. Wait, I spelled it wrong. Photo, and then you want to search up Pia, and then you want to so there's right here, and you want to click this new project, and then want to do YouTube thumbnail, create it, and then you want to go out and open up the folder you just created. Let me just move this to my second desktop, guys. And then you want to go and drag the image. As you can see, I'm dragging it in. Alright. And now, once you have dragged it in here, all you want to do is you want to click this little text icon, and then do whatever you want. I'm going to do distant galaxy because that's what I'm using. And I'm going to just type in whatever you want. So I'm going to just type in happy monkey. Or I would just do happy gorilla. Happy gorilla.